And so today video is about LDCloud, how to use LDCloud and its feature. So first of all, click on LDCloud. You can download app from Play Store. LDCloud works on both PC and mobile, so you can access it anywhere. So first of all, you can log in through your Gmail, and all other options are there: Facebook, Line, Gmail, like that. We log in directly through Gmail. You can click on it, and after that you can see here the interface, and here the 60 days deal are ongoing with 48% discount, and that's best fit for new users. And you can add cloud phone here. Here the four basic feature: VIP, KVIP, SVIP, XVIP, and this is the KVIP. It's recommended. And first of all, they give 0.27 free credit for new users for 2-hour free trial. And LD Cloud works just like a regular Android phone. And we try trial period. First of all, and you can see this is the 1 hour 59 minutes trial, mean 2 hour. First of all, click on it, and here the renew, rename, restart, factory reset, and you can access and see like that. So we click on it screen, and this is like your another phone, Android phone. And here is the Play Store, and you can click on it and buy your favorite and install your favorite apps and start using them instantly. Perfect for social media, business, or gaming. LDCloud lets run multiple virtuals simultaneously, and you can switch between them, set automation tasks, and even control them remotely from your main device. So here the LDC assistant. Here you can check your visual location, mobile setting, network speed test. So we speed test here. Oh really? Wonderful. 620 MBs. So here the internet speed test, and after that you can access your visual location, app auto start, and device language, and you can choose according to your own language. And here are more options, and there are Chrome. You can do anything, and you can optimize your performance on this. And now if you want to go back, you can click on it, and here is the option. You can go back, and you can buy another LD Cloud if you have need. You can renew this. So this is the video for 2 days, and you can access it, and even you can invite others. So that's the best way to get some point reward here, and you can give some time for your work on LD Cloud. So this is the video. I hope you'll find helpful. So if you find helpful, please like, subscribe.
LD Cloud, best virtual cloud phone for AFK and cloud gaming. Easily operate multiple devices with one click, offering stable performance for popular games with no crashes. More games for you to choose from. Many apps available to download. Run multiple instances 24/7 smoothly. Perfect for AFK and active play. Quickly share with your friends and start playing together. Fully enjoy your gaming time. Try LD Cloud and enjoy gaming now.